Hey busy people, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a rather common fish in this hobby, the guppy. Now there are so many different types of guppies. So for this one I just want to look specifically at the orange dragon guppy, which has this beautiful orange and yellowy gradient to them, with, some black speckles and stuff thrown in their tail. Now, overall, guppies are going to be an easy new fish for beginner fish keepers. They're actually one of the most common fish that are available in the aquarium fish hobby. Now, they're a peaceful fish. They can adapt to most, water. They're low-cost fish. They're easy to care for. Now, I should say low-cost there with an asterisk, because if you're getting purebred, line-bred guppies that have, actual genetics to them, that where their parents' genes originated from and they've been line bred consistently out, they're going to run you a bit more. But if you're just getting muck guppies and stuff from your local pet store, they're going to be dirt cheap. Now, they are native in the wild to South America, places like Trinidad, Barbados, Venezuela, other places in that region. And they've actually been introduced into more broader regions in the world, so there actually are more populations of them all over the place. Now, in the wild, guppies are going to live in big schools. This is going to be to protect themselves. So you ever seen a school of fish in the ocean? Think the same thing. They're going to be in nice, large, tight schools to help protect them from predators, other large fish, birds, things that are going to predate on them in the wild. Now, they are, of course, a fish that stays relatively small, about 2.5 inches, maybe 3 max in length. They can go anywhere from 1/2 inch up to 2.5, depending on, what type of guppy they are. So they can be kept in smaller tanks. You could keep guppies in a 5-gallon, but if you have a pair, male and female pair, that is, you're going to definitely need a bigger boat eventually, because they will start breeding, and you'll have a lot more fry than that 5-gallon can handle. Temperature-wise, you're looking at a range of 68 up to 82. Now, there is some speculation that temperature can affect the sex of the fry, so you can have cooler waters will produce more of one than the other, and higher waters will produce more of one than the other. There's been a little research done into this, but there's nothing concrete, so they can keep a nice wide range of temperatures. The warmer the temperature, the more they will breed, though, but that'll also speed up their life cycle. pH-wise, my water is 6, and they do fine. They can go up to 7.6, but of course, with these guys, closer to neutral is going to be better. And they're going to want some more calcium in their water, just because when they breed consistently, they can get bent spines from overbreeding. They're a very peaceful fish, so they can be housed with a variety of other fish. Great for community tanks, as long as the fish that they're with are not going to get too big to where they can eat them, because that could be a problem. For food, these guys are omnivores, so pretty much anything you want to put in your tank, they're going to eat. Personally, mine get fed a steady diet in the breeding tank of just the aquarium caught fry food, strict diet of that. Everybody else gets Hikari micro pellet, Hikari freeze-dried tube fixed bloodworm, Daphnia, brine shrimp, all that good stuff, and then I've been throwing in an extreme nano lately as well. Now, given the right conditions, these guys are going to live about 2 years, so not an overly long lifespan of these guys. Warmer temperatures will speed that up, and cooler temperatures will maybe extend that a little bit more. They're an easy fish for people that want to start breeding. You can pretty much just add water and they're fine. As long as you have a breeding pair, male and female pair, they can start popping out kids extremely early for you. So if you want to try breeding a fish, I would suggest getting a guppy to start with. So guppies are a pretty solid fish, of course, if you have good genetics from their parent fish. So they're good for beginners, as long as you're not getting specifically bred out fish where they could have a slightly weaker genetic makeup to them. So I'm going to go ahead and give guppies a 9 out of 10. As always, thank you all so much for watching and the support in every video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your experience with keeping guppies. Have you bred them? Have they bred for you when you weren't even trying to? Let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one.